In these problems, we're evaluating something called a determinant. And this is a useful thing, especially as you get into more advanced matrix operations. In this video, we'll just look at how to evaluate one of these, how to calculate what the determinant is, but you'll be using this more as you go on with matrices. What you'll notice here is you've got something that sort of looks like a matrix, except that it's got these straight lines instead of the normal brackets. Looks like an absolute value symbol here. That is the notation for a determinant. So if you want to figure out the determinant of this, what you're going to do is multiply diagonally this way. So that would be 5 times 4. And then subtract, multiplying diagonally the other way, 6 times 7. So that would be 20 minus 42, or negative 22. And that's all there is to it. A determinant is just a single value that this set of numbers comes out to. And this is the way to do a 2 by 2. It gets a little more complicated when you get bigger matrices, so a 3 by 3 is a little tougher. We'll look at that soon. Let's just try a little more practice with 2 by 2s here. The way I like to do it, at least in my head, is to draw an x. And the first stroke of the x is the first place you multiply. Negative 4 times 7 would be negative 28. Minus a negative 1 times a negative 5, that's a positive 5. So negative 28 minus 5, negative 33. And that's the value of that determinant. All right, one more here. We've got, I'll draw my x, 2 times 1 and 4 times 3. So 2 times 1 is 2, minus 4 times 3 is 12. 2 minus 12 is a negative 10. And that's really all there is to calculating a 2 by 2 determinant.